Launch Edificius usBIM. By default, the program opens in desktop mode. Select New to create a new project and choose whether to start from an IFC file, create a project group, or an empty document. Once the document is created, you can go back to the home and save it, selecting a folder on your PC and giving it a name. From the home, activate Classic for usBIM mode. Log in using your credentials, and in the program's home, you'll see your cloud space with your documents. You can create a new folder to save the new file or use an existing one. If you select New from the Home menu, the program explains how to proceed and guides you to the button to click. Choose to create an Edificius document, give it a title, visible only on usBIM, and assign the file name as usual. The guided creation of Edificius starts, where you choose whether to create an empty document or start from an IFC file. Once you've created the new project in your Edificius, you simultaneously have the new project saved on your PC and the one created in the cloud. You can work on both, exchange data between them, always recognizing cloud files by the usBIM logo on them.